Hi guys, Vidas here from Surfshark. Cybersecurity vocabulary can be confusing, so we decided to make this short video going over the most important cybersecurity definitions. Ready to expand your cybersec vocabulary? Let's get started. When browsing online, your data is exposed to every website that you visit. This can pose many security risks, such as the wrong people knowing your exact physical location. That's where a VPN comes in handy. It connects you via a secure and private tunnel, ensuring that none of your data is exposed online. Malware is a malicious program that can harm your device and steal your data. It comes in various forms, such as spyware, adware, worms, and more. Generally, you should think of malware as a parasite that can lock all of your files and hold them for ransom. To avoid this ugly online germ on your computers, it's important to have up-to-date antivirus software installed. And as for your phone, it is crucial that you do not install apps outside of the official app stores. This is an IP address. It looks pretty random, but these digits contain information about your exact location. It's not something that you would like to share, right? Well, sorry, your IP is available to every website that you visit. Usually, this is not a huge deal. But some websites really want to know your exact location for whatever reason. If you want to be private online, you should hide your IP. The easiest way to do this is by using a VPN. There are a lot of scary things online, but one of the most notorious online threats has got to be ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that takes all of your precious files and locks them up. And the unpleasant surprise is that in order to get your files back, you must pay ransomware a large sum of money. And even that does not guarantee that your documents and beloved family photos will be restored. Want to protect yourself? Just don't download random things online. Phishing attack is a type of online scam where criminals bait you into giving them your data. This can happen via email, text message, or fake advertisement. Phishing messages may contain malicious link which will lead your information to the attacker. They can come in various forms, such as a fake company asking you for details, winning a giveaway, or paying a fake invoice. Make sure to be skeptical about such emails, and if a letter says that you just won $1 million, think of it more as an invitation to have your data stolen. Encryption is the process of changing data such as your online connection or files to secure it from online criminals and hackers. Exposed data can be stolen, deleted, or spread online. Just imagine your embarrassing selfies being shown to all of your friends. Or even worse, your personal information being stolen. That is exactly why encryption is so important. It will protect that information from being accessed by anyone except you. DDoS attack is when someone overwhelms a network, a service, application, or a website server with so much fake online traffic that the normal visitor can't pass through. This can also happen when you are gaming. Imagine you are in the heat of the moment and you get a DDoS attack disrupting your gameplay, resulting in a lost match. And I was so close to my first win on Fortnite. Social engineering is a type of manipulation tactic designed to get your sensitive information such as your credit card details, passwords, and more. Let's say you get a call about a car accident involving your close relative, and now the caller requests your bank information to help the relative with medical costs. That's just one of the examples of the tactics used by online criminals to get your money. Simply avoid such discussions, hang up your phone, and stay mindful about the information you give out. Spyware is a type of malware that monitors the victim's device to extract sensitive data without your knowledge. It can harvest passwords, banking details, and emails, and can even change your security settings. It can also download and install other malicious applications without your permission. Nasty stuff. The best way to avoid spyware is by not downloading any random crap online. Additionally, pay close attention to what information the app requests. Did you know that there are two types of hackers? Just like in a superhero movie, the bad guys who act with malicious intent are called black hat hackers. However, you may be surprised that there are also good hackers called white hat hackers. Their goal is to prevent any kind of cyber attack, such as data theft. One of these prevention methods is called penetration testing. In this scenario, a white hat hacker will help to test various security systems and find any flaws so they could be patched up before a black hat hacker steals your info. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want to learn more about Surfshark, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click on another video to keep watching.